Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And we've got a really nice little piece of equipment here for you. This is a 2016 case loader backhoe. Such a nice machine. I'm going to try to show you a couple of these things here. Hopefully it'll show up. Hopefully you can see that little tab right there. Yeah, front tires are new. Yep. Oh, and then back here, little tabs, back tires are new. Very nice. Hey, I forgot to mention, this is a 580 NEP. This is the model that does not require DEF. Such a nice little piece. Loader backhoe. We've actually used this one quite a bit out at our place. Everything on this thing is functional. It's enclosed cab, heat, AC, shuttle shift, four-wheel drive. I just don't know what more you guys could possibly ask for. Doesn't leave spots on the ground. It's got a nice, I'm going to call it a 24-inch. I actually haven't measured it, but I believe that's a 24-inch tag. And look at there. They're all there. They're all good. Nothing wrong about it. Look at the street pads. Just like brand new. It's such a nice little piece. That's what the hydraulics look like, guys. There's no leaks. I haven't seen, if there's any spots on the ground from this, they are so minimal you don't even notice them, because I haven't seen any. Very clean, very straight. As I say, totally enclosed cab. Probably not going to be the most graceful getting in here, but you'll get the idea. Everything is here, all the trim is there, nice little piece, nice little thing. Look how nice and straight and clean that seat is. All the controls, everything. Such a nice little unit. So let me see if I can get up here without falling down. Oh, look at there, I did better than I thought I would. So, let me see now. Don't really know exactly where all of the, I'm just moving the buttons around here, trying to get to the hours for you. I'm sure that all means something to somebody. It doesn't mean anything to me. Well, anyway, I've got a picture. There we go. 3,100 hours. That's it. Air conditioning controls, brake control. There's your four-wheel drive control right there. Air conditioning, outriggers. You know, I'm just not long-legged enough to go around here and show you everything on this by myself, but nice, straight, clean. We've used it many times. 4-speed manual right there. Shuttle shift right here. Nice tractor. Everything on here is functional. Nice piece. Very clean. All the glass. Everything is solid. Everything is good. I haven't found anything on it that doesn't work the way it's supposed to. And yes, it is an Extendahoe. So, wow. Glass all over the place, all good. Nice cab. 2016 case, four-wheel drive, Extendahoe. It's got the big loader bucket on front, 24-inch tag bucket on back. Tires, you know what? The tires are put on brand new at our location. I'll say they're 6 months old, maybe at the most, and they've maybe had 4 hours of running time on them out in the dirt out at our place there using it. So they're as good as new as you can get. Such a nice little piece. Hey, it's even got one of them there revolving things on top. 2016, no DEF required. If you can use that beautiful Extendahoe backhoe loader, you give me a call. We're right here in Henderson, Tennessee, HD Trucks and Equip, and my cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, hey guys, we really appreciate you looking.